now, Kevin.
Okay. We're at the Magic Kingdom today at Gaston's Tavern to try the viral creme brulee croissant. It was so good. I don't know. Magic Kingdom doesn't always surprise me with good snacks, but I think I was definitely surprised today. All right, let's head in.
Okay, we are at Gaston's Tavern. I have been dying to try this creme brulee croissant. And then we also got the LeFou's brew, which I haven't had in years. Kevin just had it. He said it was good but sweet. Ooh, that is sweet. But good. Try a little piece of this. There's cream in there too. Why wasn't I expecting that? I was kind of just expecting there to be.
It's creme brulee.
I was expecting a croissant. I understand that, but with a bruleed crisp top on the croissant. That's what I was expecting.
Then they would have just called it a brulee.
Oh yeah. Oh wow. That's really good. Can't come and hit your bite.
Sweet.
It's not that it's sweet. Honestly, the drink is sweeter. What do you think?
It's alright.
Not crazy about it?
No, I'm not. I don't get excited about sweets.
You get very excited about sweets when they're in the house, Kevin. When they're sitting in the candy jar.
Not to mention, Jenny, that is not true. I've never had creme brulee, so I don't have anything to really compare it to.
You've never had creme brulee? Ten out of 10 for me. 10 out of 10. Thumbs up. Final thoughts on the LeFou's brew?
Huh?
Final thoughts on the LeFou's brew?
It's a good, cool, refreshing slushy. If you like apple cinnamon.
Yeah, it's got a little bit of marshmallow flavor too.
Yeah, I think the marshmallow is supposed to be the topping. Maybe if I'd mixed it in. But I think it's a good slushy.